Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Here you can see the new range of Distress Oxides in the mini version. Before there was only the big ones, like this one. So that's a big difference. I really like to storage them in the tins, as I did with my inks. These are inks and these are oxides. So let's unpack and let's storage them in the new tins. So this is the first arrangement I made. I'm really not satisfied with the colors. I always make a tin with cool colors and with warm colors. So let me see if I place this here. That's my horse clock. Rusty hinge, I think, here. Okay. These are the oranges. Then the browns, I think, here. It's a vintage photo. Then the walnuts. Then the black. Okay. Raspberry, the festive berries, then lumberjack plates. Now this is lining up with this one, and it's more like this one. And then the purples with the dark blue. Okay, I think this is it. I really love to work with the colors lined up. So let's make some swatches. I'm taking a stamping block, making it a little watery. This is the weathered wood. Yeah. So these are the swatches I've made for a quick overview of the colors. Just a reminder, if you make swatches, this is a little bit wet. If you do that on watercolor paper, this was cardstock paper, you get a really different result. Like so. This is the same as I think as this one. So it gives a different result when you use watercolor paper. There are more effects, as you can see, but I really want to make this as a swatch for the color range. So do you have to buy these new ones? That was the question. I think yes, because they are so easy to travel with. Just 4 little boxes, 2 inks to color in and 2 tins to make backgrounds. So this was my other storage tin. As you can see, that's really massive to travel with. So I really love to keep it tidy and work with less materials and have an overview. So these little oxides are really a must-have. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you buy them too, what you think of it, and see you next time. Bye bye.